Hello everyone! This is your tech buddy from Pixelinto, and today we're taking a closer look at the latest Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With its bold titanium design, refined edges, and premium finish, this phone isn't just powerful, it's built to impress.
Taking the first look inside the box of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, you'll find a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, a SIM ejector tool, and a quick start guide.
The Galaxy S25 Ultra is built with a refined titanium frame, giving it exceptional strength and a lightweight, durable feel in your hand. Now, moving to design, Samsung follows its new essential design philosophy: simple, emotive, and impactful.
It's slimmer than ever, with rounded corners and a sleek, seamless design that looks refined and modern.
Samsung brings the Galaxy S25 Ultra in 4 stunning colors: titanium silver blue, titanium gray, titanium white silver, and titanium black, giving it a bold yet elegant look. The Galaxy S25 Ultra comes protected with Corning Gorilla Armor 2, giving it exceptional durability and scratch resistance. It features a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with anti-reflection technology for crystal-clear visibility in any light. It delivers a stunning 1440 by 3120 resolution, reaches up to 2600 nits of peak brightness, and offers smoother motion with a 120 Hz refresh rate, making every touch and scroll feel incredibly fluid.
Slimmer bezels, now just 1.32 millimeters for a seamless edge view.
Galaxy S25 Ultra, IP68 certified for water and dust protection. The Galaxy S25 Ultra comes with up to 12 GB of RAM paired with 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB of storage. And for ultimate performance, a 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage variant gives you unmatched speed and limitless space.
And on the right side, you'll find the power button and volume controls, perfectly placed for easy access. At the bottom, you'll find the USB Type-C port, dual speakers, microphone, SIM tray, and the signature S Pen slot, all neatly aligned for a premium finish. The S25 Ultra keeps your data safe with Samsung Knox security, plus face recognition, fingerprint unlock, and traditional PIN, password, or pattern protection.
Samsung brings its most hyper-realistic gameplay yet, delivering smooth, detailed, and lifelike performance. Samsung introduces a next-gen heat dissipation system with a 40% larger vapor chamber and advanced thermal interface materials, keeping the Galaxy S25 Ultra cool even during the most demanding games. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features Samsung's advanced ProVisual engine using AI-powered image processing to deliver sharper details, richer colors, and stunning clarity in every shot. The S25 Ultra packs a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with autofocus and f1.9 aperture for stunning, detailed shots. The S25 Ultra's 200-megapixel wide lens offers f1.7 aperture, 3x optical zoom, and OIS, delivering expert-level depth control with a new virtual aperture for perfect focus every time. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera features an f3.4 aperture, 5x optical zoom, and OIS, capturing distant scenes with sharp, steady precision.
Nightography on the Galaxy S25 Ultra redefines low-light photography, capturing brighter, sharper, and more detailed shots with enhanced video quality powered by 10-bit HDR for richer colors and lifelike contrast.
The Galaxy S25 Ultra's 12-megapixel front camera features an f.2.2 aperture, HDR, and HDR10, capturing bright, detailed, and perfectly balanced selfies every time. The S25 Ultra packs a 5,000 mAh battery, lasting up to 31 hours for all-day power.
Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, powered by the most powerful processors, Snapdragon 8 Elite, brings hyper-realistic, ultra-smooth gameplay with a 37% faster CPU, 30% more powerful GPU, and a 40% boost in NPU performance. It's the first 3nm processor in a Galaxy smartphone, delivering 5 times stronger performance, improved FPS by up to 18%, and elevated ray tracing by 40% for lifelike visuals.
Thanks for watching. The Galaxy S25 Ultra proves what true innovation looks like. For more in-depth specs and next-gen tech updates, like, share, and subscribe to Pixel Into.